Hey Aqualovers, what's up guys? I am back with a new episode and here is my planted tank. As you can see, I have added some neon strata and they are looking quite happy guys. And my plants are growing really wild and you can see that I need some trimming, but I did last week some trimming and I am feeling that the planted tank again needs some trimming. So I'm gonna do the trimming in some days guys because I was busy in my routine. So guys, today's video is about something different, but it is related to planted tank. Today we are gonna talk about the symptoms of the nutrients deficiency in the aquatic plant. In my previous video I talked that we are gonna discuss these. So guys, I think this is the right time to talk about the symptoms of the deficiency in the planted tank because I have felt that some plants are having the deficiency of the nutrients. So I am gonna tell you that what are the main symptoms of the nutrients deficiency, and I will tell you one by one about micro and macro both nutrients, and I am gonna show you the real pictures of the deficiency and the symptoms. So guys, stay tuned with me and we are going to start the video, and before starting please subscribe for getting new updates. So guys, here we have the tank and first I am gonna show you that you can see the brown algae on the leaves. So first we are gonna talk about this algae, why it is here, and you can see on the crypto brown as well and on Ludwigia red ribbon reds. So guys, this brown algae is usually caused by the high or strong lightning. It means that you are providing the high light or you are providing for light for the long duration. And I show you here, as you can see on my Anubias leaf, there is a brown algae. This is due to high lightning and I have recently reduced the duration of the time. So guys, first we talk about the deficiency symptoms due to the macronutrients. In macronutrients we have got NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So first we are gonna talk about the nitrogen. So here I show you, as you can see here we have got the Ludwigia red ribbons red, but you can see the leaves are turning yellow and it is yellow color, and you can see the leaves have got the yellow color all around. And I show you in my this Rutella indica, you can see the Rutella indica have got some yellow color all around. So this is due to the deficiency of the nitrogen. If you see, the whole leaf is turning yellow, so this is basically the deficiency of nitrates or nitrogen. Okay, now we talk about the deficiency due to phosphorus. Guys, you can see the lower leaves of the Ludwigia red ribbons have turned into black color, and this is due to the deficiency of the phosphorus. If your plants are not getting the proper amount of phosphorus, then they may turn black like this. So you need to provide the phosphate to the plants to fulfill this deficiency. And the other plants are quite in the good condition. So now we talk about the deficiency due to potassium. If your plants are getting low potassium, then the leaves of the plants get holey. There might be some holes in the plants, and I'm not finding out any leaves with some holes. So I think the leaves of the plants are getting good potassium. But if you find the holes in the leaves of the plant, it means that there is a deficiency of. Now we talk about one of the most important nutrient, that is iron. And today I am gonna show you that how the plants look like. Guys, here you can see this plant is turning white at the upper part of the stem. This is due to the deficiency of iron. Now you can see the plant. This is Hydrilla brown, and you can see that some leaves are twisting around. And guys, the twisting of the leaves is due to the deficiency of calcium. And I show you some other leaves are twisting around. Here you can see the new leaves of the Ludwigia rubens red are also turning or twisting around. It is due to the deficiency of the calcium. It means that we are providing less calcium. So you need to provide the calcium if you see that the leaves are twisting around. So buddies, these were some symptoms due to the deficiency of the nutrients in the aquatic plants. So what you need to do, you need to observe the plants on regular basis so that you can timely know the deficiency. And if you found any deficiency in your planted tank, then you need to fulfill it quickly, because if you don't do that, then your plants may die completely. And if you have any question in your mind, and if you want to know anything about the deficiency symptoms, you may comment in the comment section. And thank you for watching my video, and I am gonna bring more information for you guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.